Welcome to EPG Pathshala. I am JP Dimri, retired professor of Russian from the Center of Russian Studies, English and Foreign Languages, University, Hyderabad. Indian grammatical tradition, Paninian linguistics, morphology. As was said before, that these lectures on morphology are based on Paninian linguistics of P.S. Subramaniam. Now, today in this module we will discuss the verb morphology. And as was said before, that all the affixes are listed in 3rd, 4th and 5th adhyayas of Ashtadhyayi, and the 3rd adhyaya gives all suffixes that can be added to a dhatu. In other words, the basic morphology of finite verb is given in the 3rd adhyaya. Dhatus are listed in the Dhatu Patha. There are about 2000 dhatus listed in the Dhatu Patha. The listing of these dhatus in the Dhatu Patha is given under 10 major classes. Each of these classes of verbs has its particular marker called vikarana. These vikaranas can be classified as stem or theme forming suffixes. The 10 classes are: first, bhu. Vikarana is shap by Sutra Kartari Shap 3.168. Second, ad. Vikarana is look 0. The Adapravrittibhyo Sapaha Su 472. Third is who class. Shlu is the Vikarana 0. Juhotyadibhya Shlu 475. Fourth is Div class. Vikarana is Shan. Divadibhya Shan 3.169. The 10 classes are Bhu. Vikarana is Sap. Kartari Sap 3.168. Ad. Vikarana is look 0. Adapravrittibhyo Sapah 2.472. Who. Vikarana is Shlu 0. Juhotyadibhya Shlu 2.475. Diva Shan. Vikarana is Shan. Divadibhya Shan 3.169. Su. Vikarana is Snu. Swadibhya Snu 3.173. Tud. Vikarana is Shra. Tudadibhya Shah 3.177. Rudh. Vikarana is Snam. Rudadibhya Snam 3.178. Tan. Vikarana is U. Tanadikriyabhyo U. Vikarana is Tanadi Kriyabhya U 3.179. Kri. Vikarana is Snam. Kriyadibhya Sna 3.181. Chur. Vikarana is rich. Satyap Pasa Rupa Vani Tula Slokas Sena Loma Tvacha Varma Varna Churna Churadibhyo Nich 3.125. The 10 classes on the basis of Vikarana Sab can be grouped into 2 classes: sub alternating and non-sub alternating. These 10 classes are called 10 ganas. Gana is a conjugational class, such as Bhadigana, the class beginning with the root Bhu; Adadigana, the class beginning with the root Ad; Juhotyadigana, the class beginning with the root Hu. Similarly, Divadigana, Swadigana, Tudadigana, Rudhadigana, Tanadigana, Kriyadigana, and Churadigana. Panini classifies the conjugation of verbal stems into 10 main categories of tenses and moods, and he designates system of tenses and moods by the technical term law, lakara. Lakars are 10. These lakars are grouped into 2: lakars with the final indicator to and lakars with the final indicator no. The structure of the lakars is law plus a vowel o, e, u, re, a, o plus to. or plus ng. 10 lakaras are lut, present tense, lit, perfect, lut, periphrastic future, lit, future or sigmatic future, late, Vedic subjunctive, lot, imperative, lung, imperfect, ling, with two varieties, vidhiling, optative, and ashirling, benedictive, lung, arrest, and ring, conditional. Notice that 6 lakaras, namely lut, lit, lut, lit, late, lot, are formed with the final indicator or it, to, and lakaras lung, ling, lung, ring are formed with the final indicator nga. The role of vowel is to distinguish one lakara from another. These indicators to and nga indicate certain morphophonemic changes in the process of derivation. The 10 lakaras can be grouped into two, sarvadhatuka and ardhadhatuka. Sarvadhatuka lakaras are lut, lot, lung, ling, vidhiling, and sarvadhatuka late. There is structural similarity in these sarvadhatuka lakaras. In these lakaras, between the dhatu and conjugational thing suffixes, a vikarana class formation suffix has to be there. Thus, the structure of a verbal root is a dhatu plus vikarana plus thing. For example, patha plus shapa, patha plus tip, plus patha plus shapa plus tip. Here, patha to read is a root, tip is a conjugational suffix, and shap is a vikarana between the root dhatu and thing suffix tip. From patha plus shapa plus tip, we get the form pathati, he, she reads or is reading. Sardhatuk lakaras, definitions, and now we shall examine the Sardhatuk lakaras, their definitions and meaning. First, lat, vartamane, lat, 3-2-123. The sutra defines lakara lat. The sutra states that when the action refers to present time, vartamana, substitute of lat are introduced after a verbal root. For example, pat plus shap plus tip means pathati. Ling, vidhiling. The Sutra 3.3.163 defines the vidhilinga. The Sutra defines the vidhilinga. The Sutra states that law substitute of ling are introduced after verbal roots to denote first a command, vidhi, 2. Summon or invitation for one particular thing, nimantrana. 3rd, invitation or giving free choice, amantrana. 4th, respectful command or polite command, adhishta. 5th, deliberation, samprashna. And 6th, request, prarthana. Example, vidhi, vastram kshalaye, clean the clothes. Nimantrana, Iha bhavan bhunjita, here you will eat. Amantrana, Iha bhavan asita, please sit here. Adhishta, bhavan manavakam adhyapayet, kindly teach the boy. Samprashna, kimna khalu vyakaranam adhiyiya, should, must I read grammar. Prarthana, bhavan me annam dadya, please give me food. Lot cha 3.3.62. The sutra defines the lot lakara. This sutra states the lot lakara imperative mood is also used after the verbal roots to demand command, summons, invitations, respectful command, deliberation, and request. In other words, in the same sense in which vidhiling is used. For example, gramam bhavan gachatu, you go to the village, please. Late, lingarthe, late, 4.1.7. The sutra states that the law substitute of late, subjunctive mood, are introduced after a verbal root in Vedas to denote the meaning of ling, optative or potential mood. For example, tarishat, let him stretch forth. Nishat, may he lead. Lang, Anadyatane Lang 3 to 11. This sutra defines the Lang Lakara. The sutra states when the action refers to the general past tense excluding the current day, Anadyatane Lang imperfect tense is used. For example, Akarod, did or made, not referring to the current day. Ardhatu lakaras, definitions and meaning. Lit, parokshe, lit, 3 to 1115. The sutra defines lit lakara. The sutra states that when the action refers to the general past time, excluding the current day and beyond the perception of the speaker, parokshe, lit lakara is used after a verbal root. Gum plus lit, gum plus lit, gagam plus lit, jagam plus lit, jagamo has gone before current date, but I did not see it myself. Lut, anadyatane lut 3:3:15. The sutra defines lut lakara. The sutra states that when the action refers to the general future time, excluding the current day, anadyatane, lut periphrastic or non-sigmatic future is used after a verbal root. For example, swa, tomorrow, kri plus lut, swa kri plus tas plus da, swa krit plus a, swa kart plus, 1 minute, kri plus lut, swa kar plus tas plus da, swa kar plus a, swa karta will be doing tomorrow. Lit se cha 3:13. The sutra defines lit lakara and states that lit lakara periphrastic future is used after a verbal root when the action refers to the general future time. Se, for example, kri plus lit, kar plus it plus sya plus thi, karishyati, he will do or be doing. Ling, ashirling, ashishiling, loto, 3:173. The sutra defines ashirling and states that ling, optative and lot, imperative mood are used after a verbal root to express benediction. For example, chiram jivyat, chiram jivatu bhavan. May you live long. May you live long. Jivyat. Lung. 3 to 110 defines the lung lakara. The sutra states lung lakara states that when the action refers to the general past, then lung rest is used. The sutra states that when the action refers to the general past, tense lung lakara is used after a verbal rule. For example, kri plus lung, kri plus shli plus to, kri plus sich plus to, at plus kri plus sich plus to, o plus kara plus so plus it plus to, akar sheet, he made or did. Ring nimatte ring kriyatpatto. Ring nimatte ring kriyatpatto. 3:139. This sutra defines ring lakara and states that ring conditional lakara is used after a verbal root when the action refers to the future time under condition prescribed for ling lakara. That one action is cause and the other effect or result, provided that the action which is the result does not actually come out. Kriyat pattu. For example, Suvrishtishet avavishyat, Subhiksham avavishyat. If there were good rains, there could have good harvest. Ardhatuka late. Ardhatuka late lakara is used in the same sense as the Sardhatuka late. Notice late lakara is used in the Vedic literature. The basic difference between the Sardhatuka and Ardhatuka is in the derivation process. In Sardhatuka lakaras, between dhatu and ting suffixes, a vikarana will be present, whereas in ardhatuku lakaras there will be no vikarana. Class marker suffix between root and the conjugational suffix. Example of sardhatuku lakara: pata plus ti, pata plus sa plus ti, patati. He, she reads. The structure of the finite verb form patati is root pat plus tip, conjugational suffix. Then vikarana sap is added between the root and conjugational suffix. Sardhatuku lakara share full stem forms. Example of ardhatuku lakara: ashriling, bhu plus tip, bhu plus yasut plus tip, no vikarana but augment yasut is inserted. Bhu ya plus tit, bhu yat, e of ti is dropped, bhuyat. Use of lakaras: lah karmani chabhave cha karma kebhyo 3-4-69. The sutra states that law member lakaras lat, lit, lut, lit, late, lot, lung, ling, lung, ring are introduced after a verbal root to denote the agent as well as the direct object karmani, and after transitive verbs akarmakebhya to denote the abstract action bhave in addition to agent. In other words, after a transitive root, a lakara can be used either in the sense of agent, that is to active voice, or in the sense of object, that is a passive voice. After an intransitive root, lakara can be used either in the sense of the agent, that is active voice, or in the active sense, or in the stative sense bhave. What it means is that active and passive construction are formed from the transitive verbs, and active and impersonal constructions are formed from the intransitive verbs. Accordingly, three types of constructions: 1. Kartrivachya, Karmavachya, and Bhavavachya are formed. Examples: transitive: Devdatta Grantham Pathati. Devdatta reads a book. Active construction, Kartrivachya. Intransitive: Devdatta Aste. Devdatta is sitting. Active construction. Devdattena Grantha Pathyate. The book is read by Devdatta. Passive construction, Karmavachya. T. Asate Devdatteno. Sitting by Devdatta is taking place, impersonal, Bhavavachya. So the verbal roots stems have three constructions: active, Kartari Prayoga; passive, Karmani Prayoga; and impersonal, Bhave Prayoga. In this module, we have discussed grouping of verbs into classes, system of lakaras, and three types of constructions associated with the transitive and intransitive verb forms. Students and participants are advised to go through the chapter 10 of Paninian linguistics of P.S. Subramaniam. In this, in conclusion, we can say, in conclusion, in this module we have discussed all the 10 lakaras, their basic meanings, and their division into sardhatuku lakara and ardhatuku lakara, and difference between these two sardhatuka and ardhatuku lakaras. Thank you.